Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, it's fine. This is January weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see. First card, Nine of Pentacles. So let's see your messages and what's going on. You are creating more money either from your job or business, whatever you are doing right now. You're feeling very abundant, independent. Wow. Very, very attractive energy, Taurus. Because you are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially. Wow. Six of Cups and Page of Pentacles. Strength, Empress. Magician. Eight of Wands, Judgment, Ace of Cups. Wow. Very, very positive reading for you, Taurus. Maybe under the deck, Eight of Swords and Six of Swords. Maybe you are feeling stuck sometimes when you're thinking about something or someone, but it is not a permanent energy. It is just when you're thinking about, because you decided to move on, which doesn't serve you anymore. It could be anything. Okay. Yeah. So when you move on, you will find happiness. So let's see your reading. In recent past, Nine of Pentacles, Six of Cups and Page of Pentacles. Some communication, some message is coming in your way, and you are very abundant. You are creating more money. I already told you. And Six of Cups, you have strong connection with someone and you're feeling that could be a soulmate connection, because Six of Cups, if you are in separation, the reconciliation is coming in your way. Someone is coming to offer some message. Someone is coming to offer some commitment. Yeah. For some, already the reconciliation is happened. For some, if you are not in relationship, they want to take this relationship to next level. So right now, what is going? The Magician, Strength and Empress. Wow. You are manifesting everything in your life, like money, love, relation, whatever, everything what you want, because the Magician energy is so what you are wishing for is going to be granted. And yeah, you are very grounded. You stand by your power, and this energy is very attractive. Nine of Pentacles with the Empress. Wow. Maybe for some, if you are married, maybe you are some of you are pregnant right now. So let's see near future energies. Eight of Wands, Judgment, Ace of Cups. So yeah, there is a lot of love. And Eight of Wands, lot of communication. You and your person maybe communicate back and forth in near future. Judgment, maybe you are going to make some major decisions. And Ace of Cups, yeah, this is your love towards your person is overflowing. For some, it could be also self-love also. For some, it could be a new person is coming in your way. But I'm not getting any third party. Let's not separation. I'm not seeing any separation right now. You are very happy and you are feeling very content, and you stand by your power, and there is love also. I think if you are in separation in past, right now you reconcile with your person. For some, very few, if not, it is going to be, because lots of communication is going to be happen. For some, it could be a new person. So take what resonate and leave the rest. The person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. Under the deck, Six of Pentacles. If there is no equal give and take, they are ready to offer. So first we will see your person current feelings. Taurus. Oh, lot of cards. I am not taking because too many cards. Nine of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, lot of earth energy. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Again, Eight of Wands. Lots of communication, lot of movement in your connection. And this is a positive shift also, and sudden shift could be for some. Lots of communication. Maybe your person want to express their feelings to you. Maybe in past they are having hard time. Even though you both are in relationship, maybe they are not expressing their love to you. For some persons are introverts, maybe they don't want to explore their feelings, but now they're ready to explore their feelings. And Nine of Cups, yeah, they're thinking about very positively, they're wishing for this connection, they want to be with you. And Nine of Pentacles, your person also very abundant, and they also already financially stable. So let's see the near future actions towards you. This is very positive reading, guys. Taurus, there is no negative. Yeah. And again, Temperance, the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius, also fire sign. Maybe I think you are feeling stuck and your person also feeling stuck. Maybe it could be whatever, because in every relationship some disturbances are very common. Maybe in that times you both feeling stuck, thinking about each other a lot. But don't worry, because King of Pentacles with Ten of Pentacles, if there is no stability in past, stability is coming. King of Pentacles, they want to take this relationship to next level. I don't see any separation, any heartbreak, because you both are on the same page, lots of communication, you both wishing for this connection, you both have so much love for you. But it is very, very positive reading for you than your person, because you are, as a person, you are very abundant and rich and stand by your power, Taurus. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. So if you're having any problem in relationship, then watch tarot card readings. Otherwise, don't. Okay? Otherwise, don't watch. Because if you have facing any problem. Otherwise, don't try to match your relationship with these cards, with reading. Okay? High Priestess, again your person listening to their intuition, listening to their inner voice. They won't give up on you now or never. They will always be with you. They want to be with you. If you are in separation, very few waiting for your person to come back. They're coming back. Again, Six of Pentacles is popped out. Maybe they really want to offer equal give and take. Those who are in separation, I am telling, they're coming back. They won't give up on you. But some groups are in separation, some group are not in separation, what I'm seeing here. Yeah, love, upgradation in love, second chances, and a Queen of Wands. Yeah, you stand by your power, Taurus, no matter what. Even though this person is with you or not, you always stand by your power. No, okay, this is very positive energy for you. Aquarius, the Star, Justice. Yeah, second chances. Because 2 times, I think if you are in separation, there will be reconciliation is coming. If you are not in separation, this relationship is going to be next level because the Star is here. You both wishing for this connection. Wow, very positive reading. So the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Libra. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Taurus. Four of Cups, Two of Cups, Three of Pentacles, wow, Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, right now you are concentrating on your career and creating more abundance. And Three of Pentacles, yeah, if you are in separation, maybe there is no equal give and take. There is no commitment. They are coming back to offer commitment and they want partnership with you. There is mutual love sharing between both of you. And Four of Cups, maybe you are in separation right now. They are coming back. You are feeling sad for the separation. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. See, Ace of Pentacles, they're ready to offer long-term commitment. They want you, only you, what I'm getting here. Yeah, you both are on the same. Six of Cups, strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. See, Ace of Cups, wow. There is a lot of love. You both love each other a lot, what I'm getting here. I don't see any third party, any heartbreak. The Moon, maybe some disturbances. The Sun and Knight of Wands, Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, this is stable. Your person is really sincere. They want to offer stability to this connection. And Knight of Wands, there is a lot of passion involved. They are very, very passionate about you, Taurus. The Sun, wow. Yeah, this happiness is coming in your life. Maybe some disturbances will come and go, that doesn't matter anymore, but yeah, they're very passionate about you and they want. The sun is the positive major arcana in the deck. Definitely they want this happiness with you. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Taurus. Two cards. Two cards. Why two cards? Show the world the real you. Yeah. If you are wearing mask, like you are not expressing your feelings, maybe you are adjusting for someone, maybe you are hiding something from someone, this is the time for you. Show the world the real you. This is the message from universe. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.